Hi, everybody. It's meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Welcome to Weather in 5. 5 days in 5 minutes. It is Wednesday, the 5th of June. So we are going to just get right to it here. And we're going to start with the Storm Prediction Center's risk area, which has changed. The slight risk has actually been pulled further to the south, while the marginal risk has been pushed further to the north. So basically, if we draw a line from Route 195 in New Jersey and along Route 78 in Pennsylvania. From there south is where we have the marginal risk. And you don't see the slight risk showing up now until we get to Southern Virginia and into North Carolina, north and west into the Ohio Valley. There is a push of warmer, more humid air coming up the coast. That has set up a bit of a warm front this morning. We are, at least as of 9 a.m. Eastern time, you're seeing some. These are mostly very light showers or sprinkles that are moving through parts of the area. But south and west of this line of showers, this is where the warmer, more humid air is already moved in. Southern New Jersey, southern Pennsylvania, back through Maryland and northeastern Virginia. And you're also beginning to see the seeds of what will be the showers and thunderstorms showing up on the radars for later today. I'm going to take you just through a couple of quick radar loops here. So we have the one from Upton, New York. The vast majority of you are not seeing any of these sprinkles and showers that are moving through. They really are pretty much a non-event. The Fort Dix radar, so now we're looking at southern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, down into the Delmarva Peninsula. There's nothing of consequence here. And in fact, we have sunshine that is broken out in many of these areas. Over toward Pennsylvania, as we take a look at south central, southwestern Pennsylvania down into northeast Virginia, you can see the radars are mostly quiet and a non-event at the moment. Again, just a reminder, it's 9 a.m. Eastern time, so if you're watching this on a replay, you want to make sure you look at the latest radars and you can get those by going to weather.gov or just going to my website, meteorologistjoecioffi.com. And here's the Binghamton radar, so we can take a look at what's going on through upstate New York. We had some rain in parts of upstate New York yesterday, and that is relatively quiet. All of this is about now setting up the warm sector, which we are doing. The frontal boundary that represents the warm sector is actually stalled across upstate New York. We're seeing temperatures and dew points that are going to be on the rise today. They haven't quite rushed up yet. We're still in the reasonable 50s to around 60 for dew points in much of the Northeast, but this is just going to saturate a bit as the day goes on, and then we're going to see showers and thunderstorms. The real warm front is actually back across Indiana and Kentucky, because that's where, when you jump to the other side of that, you're seeing the dew points up in the upper 60s and low 70s. And I think this is one of the reasons why the Storm Prediction Center has skewed the risk areas further south and further northwest, rather than bringing that slight risk up along the coast. Here's our morning satellite loop. You can see the cloud line is just at about central New Jersey, 195 from there south, southern Pennsylvania, down into Maryland. We're seeing some sunshine here, at least to start today, but you get these patches of clouds here as the warmer air starts to move up northeastward. And as we look at the full U.S. loop, you're seeing the tropical moisture. If you remember, we were looking at a system in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. It never did develop, but that tropical moisture is surging northward, and it is going to be hanging around across the southern states as we go through the weekend. So this is what it looks like for today. I think the vast majority of the day side for most of you is going to be fine. Then we're going to get into some showers and storms late this afternoon and this evening, lasting into tomorrow morning. And I think the bulk of it is going to be done by daybreak. There might still be a few lingering showers up to the northeast, as you can see in New England. And then you got all this moisture that's building down in the Gulf states. That is going to wind up getting suppressed to the south, at least initially. I still think that we're going to be fine weather-wise for much of this area, from Maryland to southern New England, for Friday and Saturday and probably Sunday, although there may start to be some cloud issues as the day progresses. But all of this rain that you see in the southeast is going to get pinned back until perhaps Monday. And then that's because we're going to see this upper trough develop from the Great Lakes down to the south, and it's going to lift all of this up for Monday into Tuesday. I thought yesterday we might be able to stretch the nice weather into Monday, and that this would wind up being delayed and not getting in here until maybe Monday night or Tuesday, but seems that the overnight models are breaking things down just a little bit faster. So the bottom line for the daytime today is for much of the time today, you won't be dealing with any showers and thunderstorms. It'll be turning warmer and progressively more humid. Temperatures will be running up mid 70s along the immediate coast, 80s in inland areas, and then watch for some downpours and thunderstorms beginning late this afternoon and especially through the first part of tonight. Weather conditions should improve on Thursday, and we've got great weather coming up for Friday and Saturday, and possibly into at least part of Sunday. All right, that's it for today for Weather in 5. Just went a little bit over. You can get more information on my website, meteorologistjoecioffi.com, or if you haven't done it already, download my weather app from on Google Play or from the App Store. Just search Joe Cioffi or meteorologist Joe Cioffi, and the app is absolutely free. If you choose to support it, just you can hit the become a supporter button on Facebook for just $1 a month. It keeps the ads on the app at an absolute minimum. Have a great day, folks. We'll be talking with you later.